My name is Jalen Lyles, aka Alone Jones is my stage name. I'm from Jackson, Tennessee. My music reflects on heartbreak. You know, I got my heart broken real bad when I was a boy, so it reflects on that. It'd be melodic. You know, I like to use auto-tune. I sing mostly though. My favorite artists, Young Thug, I know of course. Like Michael Jackson a whole lot. I grew up on Michael Jackson. Sade. What made me want to become an artist was growing up in church. And I always like gospel singers. And when they come, you know, visit our churches, and you know, they make me want to sing, join band. I started performing at 3 years old for my grandparents. I always performed at their, you know, 50th birthday parties and weddings and all that kind of things. So I pulled my inspiration from, like I said, I got my heart broken, so everything from that time reflects back on now, and I write about it. Well, my man makes the beat, and of course I just listen to it and I go off that. I'm really creative, so my head is, you know, it goes everywhere when a beat plays, so I just go straight off the top. The advice I give is keep going. You know, you never know when it'll pop off. You know, when everything will get to rolling for you. You know, just try to keep posting every day. You know, throw your music in their faces every day. You know, till they get tired of it. My bucket list, the #1 goal I have for right now is to win a Grammy. So that's what I'm going for. Today the song will be "Drive Me Crazy." It was a woman. She drove my head mad. You know, I wrote a song about it, and boom.
That's my baby, but she don't know better. No, used to drive me crazy, but it's no one better. No, she said she wanna do something crazy, so we start a fire. Yeah, I'm smoking on 2 right now, can't get no higher. Yeah, I said I remember when it was just me and you. We was chilling back in the days. I can't deny I had a little thing for you, but I was too stuck in my ways. Yeah. That's my baby, but she don't know better. No, used to drive me crazy, but it's no one better. No, yeah. I ain't never met nobody better than you, girl. Never met nobody better than you, girl. It never crossed my mind, I never wanted to waste time. I just wanna kiss her while I'm rubbing her waistline. Smack her ass, bend her over, grab her hip and I feel I wear her. Say that she the baddest little bee in the beehive. I don't want much, I just want her to be mine. She got her own money, so she don't have to see mine. I'm fast forward, never back on the rewind.